morning. Okay, let us start. So, okay, some people feel, okay, I have seen a couple of screenshots related to errors. Okay, so please refer the notes or maintain it. Okay, so some people not maintain number ranges. Very simple to maintain number ranges. First to go to OPS 7. Okay, your document types. Okay, through path or something. Very simple. Then double click on it. Here you'll see number range, right? Then go to number range information screen and enter your company code, whatever company code you have it. Example. And go to display change mode. See, this is display mode. This is change mode. So click on change mode. Whatever number range you have seen it now. Okay, so just click on this insert line button. It will be like this. Same number range 01. Which year? 2021. Don't assign all the numbers. If you assign all the numbers, no, okay, here all, then it will be used for only GL documents. But we have different types of documents. So here I would like to assign 1 to 1 lakh. Number range status automatically updated. No need to worry. Internal, external, internal. Then don't select the checkbox. Then press enter it and save it. And save it. And that's it. This is the solution for such number range issues. Okay, and tolerance issues, right? No tolerance limits are maintained around. Ajay Prasad, I already told you. Go to first employee tolerance groups. Okay, here. Just to go to new entries button. I already sent screenshot also. Ajay Prasad, are you there? Okay. So like this tolerance limits, you just maintain your company code. Maintain here full limits. Okay, and then percentage, 1%, okay, 1 rupee, like this you maintain and press enter and save it. This is what I told you. Okay, and coming to the GL tolerance groups, tolerance group for GL accounts. Same here also. Enter your company code, enter description, enter amount for 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1%, 1%. So what I'm saying is here is keep tolerance group blank always. Okay, in your company code. Then it is applicable for all the GL accounts and save it. Okay, this is the solution in case if you want to maintain properly. Okay, please correct it. Okay, like this, do practice and post your errors. Okay, good. So you will do it and you will understand if I explain it again. Anyway, this Saturday, Sunday, we will have revision session, hands-on session. So please arrange SAP access by the time without fail. And whatever I do configure here, you also should configure in the system along with me. Okay, that's it. Now come back to our topic. Okay, good. We are posting the documents, right? Yeah, posting GL documents. Okay, so while posting the GL document, there are two sections. One is document header data, another one is line item details. Okay, na? So first line document header details we already entered, we understood. So what is document date? Nothing but invoice date. What is document type? SC. Why we enter SC? I am going to post general ledger document. So SAP has suggested here to use document type SC for general ledger posting. If you are going to post vendor invoice, okay, separate document type. If I am going to post customer invoice, separate document type. If I am going to post asset document, separate document type. So now here, what is the document type for general ledger, general GL documents? SC. That's why I enter here SC. Enter your company code. Enter your currency, in which currency you are going to post the transactions. Don't worry about the posting date. Based on the posting date, posting code will be determined. So rate to not required because I am going to post the transaction local currency. In case if you are going to post foreign currency, then only you have to enter it. Even for foreign currency also not required to enter. It will take from the forex table in SAP system. And here document number. So no need to fill it. Always document number for the business transaction should be generated internally automatically. So no need to specify. Reference number is bill number. You can specify it. Header text. Document header text. You can specify it. And translation date. So translation date I already told you. Always you can keep this field blank. Generally the translation date is required to determine the exchange rate for foreign currency transactions. If I don't specify any particular date here, then automatically your posting date will be updated as default translation date. Then whatever rate is applicable on this date, okay, in exchange rate table, accordingly that rate will be used as base to convert the foreign currency values into local currencies. Okay, in case if you have still any doubts on this, practically it is going to be called in foreign currency posting topic. Don't worry about that. And next, you will never use this partner business area and cross company code document number. Cross company code document number will be automatically generated. There is topic cross company code document. It will be covered. Okay, but here it will not be entered. Here, okay, this one we will never use this one. Okay, leave it. So all these fields are called as document header details. Okay, any specific doubts here, and you know how to control these two fields as mandatory fields if you require it. At document type level, we can set it. This is what I covered yesterday. Okay, hope you know how to post the document and in the header details, right? How to enter the details in the header data. Okay, good. Now let's move to the line item details. See, yesterday someone has double click on that line item and mention this screenshot also. You can close this. Okay, you can close that. Double click on it now. It will come like this. You didn't observe that and you have taken the screenshot. Boss, system is asking me to enter these details. What it is? Okay, just close this and come out and go again. It will allow you. Good. I have seen all the messages whatever you have posted. Okay, observing. So how others are responding. So if someone posts any doubt, no others, please respond. Okay, you will improve your knowledge level also to answer such questions. Don't worry. Good. Next one, write down. Please, everyone, put heading line item details. Each document contains two sections. One is header detail. Another one is line item details. Sai Pavano. Class is 7 o'clock అయితే 7:30కి వచ్చి జాయిన్ అవుతున్నాను. ఏం లేదు చేసేది. 7 o'clock క్లాస్ అయితే 7:30 జాయిన్ అవుతున్నావు. ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ గురించి చెప్తాను. ఆ టాపిక్ మిస్ అవుతున్నాను గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. తర్వాత అటెండ్ అయ్యేంత నీకు బ్లాంక్ ఏం అర్థం కాదు. టేక్ దిస్ క్లాసెస్ సీరియస్లీ. అర్థమైందా? దానివల్ల ఎఫెక్ట్ నీకు కుట్టింది. తర్వాత ఫ్లో తప్పది నేను గుర్తుపెట్టుకో విషయం. సెవెన్ ఓ క్లాక్ షార్ప్ 2 minutes అటో ఇటు. ఐఎమ్ షేరింగ్ ది ఐడి రైట్. 10 minutes టైం కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి, సిస్టమ్ ఆన్ చేయాలి. టైం మినిట్స్. ఇంకా మీరు ఇంకా నేను 5 minutes ఇస్తే ఇంకో 10 minutes మీరు బ్రేక్ తీసుకుంటాం. కరెక్టా? షార్ప్ 7:15 కల్లా క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేలా చూడండి ప్లీజ్. 2 minutes అటో ఇటు ఐడి పంపించిన ప్లీజ్ బి అవైలబుల్. జస్ట్ 2 minutes ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఫర్ యూ టు స్టార్ట్ ది క్లాస్. Okay, to join the class. Good. Hope you understand. That's useful for you only. So before going to start any topic, okay, every day I do give just a brief overview about the topic. So from the direction you can put concentration. Okay. Write down line item display. Line item display. Because ప్రతిరోజు నేను అడగాల వాడు వచ్చాడు వీడు వచ్చాడు వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు వీళ్ళు వచ్చారు అని. You know, right? You should join the class. Okay, put heading line item display. Here, okay, we are entering into second section. Right down posting key. Right here, it is asking me to enter posting key. Posting key has come by default here. So what is this posting key? Okay, please write down. Posting key equal to 40 within bracket GL account to debit purpose. Okay, in case GL account is coming debit side now, so we have to enter posting key 40. Write down. I will explain this. Posting key 40. Posting key 40. 40 for what purpose? Within bracket GL account to debit purpose. GL account debit purpose. First, before going further, okay, everyone should understand what is posting key and what it controls. Okay, what is posting key and what it controls. I want everyone to understand some information about this. Then we'll proceed further. Correct. GL account to coming debit side, you have to enter posting key 40. If GL account is coming credit side, you have to enter posting key 50. Correct. But thing is, you should understand, okay, few more important points about this topic. Write down. Okay, see, okay, here, continuation, no? Okay, but okay, in between, I am going to explain detail functions about this posting key. Then again, I will continue from here. Okay, so let me explain this in detail way. That's why here I put here separate line. Write down the question. What is posting key and what it controls? 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 Write down the answer. It is just a 2 digits numeric key. Posting key means it is just a 2 digits numeric key. See, it is just a 2 digits length. Okay, numeric key. It is just 2 digits numeric key. It is just a 2 digits numeric key, which is used which is used put bullet point and write down all these points. I'll explain one by one all which is used. Okay, put bullet point and write down all these points. Let me know once you're done. Okay, good. I hope you have noted down. See here. Okay, good, good. See here. So what did I say? It is used, okay, for what purpose? To determine the line item whether it is debit or credit. Okay. Okay, Rama. ఇంకా ఆపండి, ఇంకా done ఇంకా ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు చెప్తే చాలు. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ చేసే కదా. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So it determines the line item whether it is debit or credit, right? So examples here. Okay, first, before going to use the posting keys here by end users, here, see there are some posting keys, right? Before going to use these posting keys by end user, these posting keys are backend created, available in SAP system. And let me take you to the place. Okay, no need to write. I will tell you what separately required. All the settings backend I am the screen, right? Okay, here implementation guide. Here observe posting keys, financial accounting will document and posting keys. Okay, this is the place. See, I am posting keys. Go inside. So all these posting keys are provided by standard SAP by default. When you take SAP license, right? By default, all the posting keys are available across the globe. Okay, you no need to create your own posting keys. Whatever requirement you have, so to fulfill those requirements, these posting keys are more than sufficient. So if you observe here, okay, all the standard posting keys, all are your standard posting keys provided by standard SAP. Okay, here SAP recommends us, boss, use 40. For what purpose? Debit purpose. Which accounts? GL accounts. Where did you specify GL account? 40 is for GL account debit and 50 is for GL account credit purpose. Okay, let me go and see the attributes inside. Double click on it. See here, here rules are specified. Okay, by SAP itself. No need to make any corrections here. See, 40, for what purpose it is used? Debit purpose. Which account? GL account, like this. So from now onwards, wherever GL account is coming debit side, okay, we have to enter posting key 40. And now, boss, no, I want to use GL account for 40 for GL account credit, vendor account credit. Okay, select this and select this and save it. From now onwards, what will happen? Posting key 40 will be used for vendor accounts key credit side. And Srushti Dharman marustunnam. Okay, so don't make any changes like this. Okay, by default, as this SAP has provided like this. If you change the attributes like this, no, somewhere backend, some kind of automatic postings purpose, posting is certified. Those postings will be affected. Okay, that's why what I'm saying is don't make any corrections to the standard entries here. Okay, as this, you also have to use it across the globe, not only you, even me, everyone across the globe. 40 for GL account debit. లేదు నేను 40 అంటే జెండార్ అకౌంట్ క్రెడిట్ మారుస్తానంటే సృష్టి ధర్మాన్ని మార్చడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నట్టు. దాని ఎఫెక్ట్ చాలా ఉంటుంది. మార్చకూడదు, చట్టం తన పని చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ మేక్ ఎనీ చేంజెస్ టు ది స్టాండర్డ్ పోస్టింగ్ కీస్. I want you to all just understand back end how, see, what all are going to work systematically, right? So based on the input you give, accordingly the output will come in SAP. Not only SAP, example in SAP computer. Understand? Same way here also. Okay, here I'm telling posting key 40 to be used for debit to GL account purpose. accordingly it will work out. Okay, that is the first point. See, the posting keys are used for what purpose? To determine the line item whether it is debit or credit. You will not enter here, okay, DR or CR. In case GL account coming debit, posting key 40. In case if you are entering GL account credit, posting key 50. That's it. Simple concept. Okay, nothing is there here to get confused. That is the first point. Done. Okay. Next, second point. Okay, before coming to the second point, okay, let me park it and let me cover these 2 points. Then I will come to this. And third point here is, okay, it controls account types also. It controls account types. So what does it mean? Okay, I already told you, right? You no need to make any corrections. SAP clearly mentioned, okay, posting key 40 for debit purpose, posting key, okay, 50 for credit purpose. So which is credit, which is debit? How do you know means here? Okay, here observe in this posting key. Okay, for what purpose it has to be used? It debit purpose. Select debit here. See, you are not going to make any changes here. Understand? Already SAP has clearly mentioned. Okay, this key should be used for 40. Okay, DL debit purpose. You no need to understand, boss, how do I know 40 for debit purpose, credit purpose? Already SAP specify చేసే ఉంది. You just use చేసుకోవాలి అంతే. Okay. For example, see, while posting vendor invoices. So SAP says here 31. Okay. So vendor credit coming credit side kada, inventory to vendor account, vendor credit side. See here, vendor credit side. You no need to make any modification. Already SAP has specified. And when I'm giving back, when I'm making payment to vendor account to bank account too, right? So vendor example here debit. So vendor debit case. So outgoing payment time. See debit to vendor. Like this, okay, each and every posting key was specified like that for one purpose. Okay, what is the purpose? Which transaction? Okay, what type of account? Whether debit or credit? Already SAP has specified it. Don't make any corrections here. Okay, if you make changes, okay, back end automatic postings are there, right? Some transactions. So for those transactions, posting keys also different, right? Those posting keys will be affected. So don't make any changes. Just a reference purpose where the posting keys are created. Okay, how backend it was set. Okay, knowledge purpose. I shown you all these things. You don't need to worry about that. See here, posting key. Next, it controls account types. I'll come to the second point. Please wait for a few minutes. It controls account types. What is meaning of account type? See? Example, let's take 40. We are familiar to this at this moment. Double click on it. See 40 for what purpose? Which account it is? It is for GL account purpose, not for vendors or customers. See 40 posting key can be used only for GL accounts. If I try to enter example, see here. Example 40 for what purpose? GL account debit. Okay, this is my vendor account. Okay, in this company code, example, this is my vendor account. If I press enter, no, it will give error message. What it says? Okay, in this company code is not there. Okay, example, let me change the company code. So for example, see here. If I try to enter this vendor code, press enter, no. See what it says, boss. This is not a GL code. Okay, see, this is not a GL. Actually, it is vendor. Okay, this is vendor code. So if I try to enter, it doesn't exist as GL account. How system will understand GL account? Where did I specify GL account? I know where I specified a GL account. Just specified only account. Based on the posting key, system will understand what type of account it is. The GL posting key means 40 GL account. But this is not GL account. That's why. Okay, what I'm saying is, okay, here it controls account types also. Debit, okay, line item, okay, posting key is used to determine the line item whether it's debit or credit. So far, correct. But which account? Debit, credit. So that is also controlled by the posting key. The account types. Account types we have here: customers, vendors, GLs, asset, materials. So which account debit it is? GL account debit. Okay, like this it is specified controls. And next, a reversal posting key also. It is used to control reversal posting key. What is the meaning of reversal posting key here is, example, I have posted one document, rent account to bank account. So rent account to debit, so to 40. If I reverse it, rent account become credit. But with which posting key should be picked up? The 40. See here clearly mentioned. So 50. Okay. Whenever I post any transactions, okay, debit, post this, and where I have to reverse the debit line item, okay, with credit, then the credit line item should be posted with posting key 50. So like these attributes are specified here. Okay. For 50 key, okay, posting key debit, right? So then posting key 40. Like this, it will be covered. Okay. So like this, it controls three major points, right? One is debit credit, another one is what type of account, and what is the reversal posting, right? Okay. Now I'm going to explain this very important point. So please concentrate. Okay. Before going to explain this, any doubts on the 3 points? Very simple. It controls debit credit, which account to. Okay, when we reverse any posting key, with which posting key should be posted? 40 key, debit 50, 50 key, okay, 40. Simple. Okay, nothing is there here to get confused. No need to make, I didn't make any changes. You also no need to make any changes here. Just observe how the settings are back and defined. To understand, I have, okay, explained this. Now, okay, last point. Very important point, and already you are familiar to this point. Okay, it controls the field status of document line item during the postings. Okay, you may get confused here. Boss, you told me field status group. Field status group controls the field status of, okay, document line items. Again, you are telling here posting is also going to control. Then what is the difference? Then which fields system will consider, right? Okay. So let me explain this fields. So what I'm saying is, okay, this point meaning is here, while posting the transactions to the GL account, while posting the transactions to this GL account, see, text field is received. Example, business share is mandatory, right? Text is mandatory, right? Where did you specify these two fields as mandatory? Anyone? Any idea? For example, I don't want business area field as mandatory. For example, how can we control it? Anyone give me clues?
Field status area.
Status area.
Super. Okay, field status group. Okay, okay, fine. Understand here. You are going to understand very important point. So please focus. Okay, special focus on. We are going to learn some important points. Please concentrate. See, okay, as you said, your answer is correct. Field status group level only. Okay, see here, example, I don't want business area field as mandate. Then you know the solution because I already covered field status variant. In case if anyone missed the word basis setting, please concentrate. What is the use of field status variant? Practically, I am going to show you. The field status variant function is, okay, see here. So how do you know which field status group? You will go to field status group. You will directly go to field status group. Key code is there, path is there. Don't worry, I already covered. You will go here. You will see lot of variants. Which is your variant? For example, if you go to global parameters OBY6 and you found your variant key, example 0, okay, FT01. Example. This is my variant assigned to my company code FT01. That's why I told you to do same naming convention. It would be very easy to identify it. Double click on groups. There are so many groups are there. In which group you have to control? You don't know, right? Very simple there. First thing, in this company code, to this GL account, check what is the field status group assigned inside. Okay, because without field status group, GL account cannot be created, right? So go to the GL master card in this company code first. GL master card T code is FX00, right? Okay. This is my GL code. This is my company code. If I go to here, create bank interest tab, you'll see G01. Okay, now here I found field status group G01. Which G01 it is? See, FT01 variant lo G01 lo control చేసుకోవాలి. FT01 is my variant to G01 is my field status group. Okay, good. In that case, go to the place. FT01 variant lo. Okay, I have to control it in G01. Okay, na? Now double click on it. Okay, double click on first section. Then go to next section. Like this, you have to check it. Okay, to find out the field which you want. Okay, which field you are looking for? Example, business area. Is it available here? No, it's not available. How many pages are there? Single page. Okay, no problem. Then go to next group. So which field you are looking for? Business area. Is it available here? Yeah, here it is available. How the status was set? Required. Now give it as example optional field or maybe suppress field. Okay, that's up to you how you want it. Example option. Save it. Save it. Okay, so which field you control here? Which field you control? Business area as option. Where did you set? G01. Same G01 is assigned in your GL master record. To the same GL account in the same company code, I am going to post the transactions. Okay, so now come back and post again. Then you will understand the status of field status of business area. Okay, let me come back. And whenever you make any new changes, you have to come back. Okay, then only it will reflect it. Press enter it. See, business area field here is optional. Earlier, how it was? Required field. Example here I covered on business area field. You can try on any field. You can try the same on any field, whatever you want it. There are so many fields are available. Right? Okay. So overall summary wise, even for new joiners also, please concentrate. How to control the fields you understood. What did I say? Field status group level, we can control it. Now what I'm saying is here, Basu, not only field status group, posting key level also we can control it. Posting key level also we can control it. Example, see here. Example. Take the screenshot and paste it in a group also. Okay, wait. I'll give you time to question. Please give me some time. Here, posting key 40, right? Anything you can take it. Example 40. Here. Okay, so here what I'm saying was the fields during the postings. Okay, you understood? Are controlled by field status group. What I'm saying is here, not only field status group, at posting key level also we can control. How I can control? Let us see here. So go to the maintain field status. And whenever I use posting key 40 and the field status. General same, whatever you are seeing in G01, right? Same field same. Example, if you are doubt, go back here and check. See here. G01. Okay, general data, account assignment data. Okay, how many tabs are here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Same 10 are available at posting key 40 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same. Whatever field you see here in G01, the same field is available here also. Okay, so what I'm saying is here, not only field status group, posting key level also we can control. How I can control? Let us see here. G01 is same. Example, if you are doubt, go back here and check. See here. G01. Okay, general data, account assignment data. Okay, how many tabs are here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same 10 are available at posting key 40 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same. Whatever field you see here in G01, Okay, example, business area, right? Okay, go here. So now I'm going to put mandatory field here. Save it. Save it. See, posting key level low. Okay, I have control it. In posting key level 40, I have control this field. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, if you observe here, field status group level, also it is available. And now go and post the transaction. Now go and post the transaction here. Now it is mandate. You may get doubt. Also, you told me, okay, field status is controlled at field status group level, but in my field status group, my business area field is here optional, but why it is coming as mandatory? Where else we can control? Understand? Okay, we can control posting key level, as well as field status group level. Both the places we can control it. The whatever field you would like to have it or you don't want to have it, okay, is controlled by the two things. One is field status group, another one is posting key. Both the places we can control it. You may get doubt, boss, both the places, how can we control? So which one system will give priority, right? Okay, it will not give priority to posting keys, it will not give priority to, okay, field status group. It will follow one kind of practice. I will show you what it is. Okay, so please, I hope you are noted down this point, right? Done. I will explain this very clearly. Example for posting case. See what is posting key definition, what it controls, then examples. Right now, then I'll tell you the differences between posting key and the field status group. Here, okay, please put extra focus to understand. If you cover this posting section, then just 2 minutes to cover to complete the document. So please consider, because here I'm going to tell you so much explanation, okay, and notes. Write it down. Example: 40 GL account debit, 50 GL account credit. The posting key definition. If someone asks you what is posting key and what it controls, you have to give this answer. Mass posting key means it's a 2 digits numerical key, okay, which is used to determine the line item, whether it's debit or credit. It controls the field status of document line item during the postings, and also it controls the field, okay, account types and reverse posting keys. Example: 40 GL account debit, 50 GL account credit. That's it. Okay. Now the next question. Path. Okay, if you're interested to understand where is the path, what is the path, okay, to go to the posting keys and T-code, no, knowledge wise, just for information. I don't want you to go and make any changes. Okay, just knowledge wise, okay, write it down. Path for posting keys. And if anybody is interested to go and check all the attributes, okay, I'm telling you here, path and T-code, write down. Path for posting keys, write down. I'm explaining about the posting key. We stuck, okay, stop here. And let me explain all these things. Then only we can proceed further. Write down. SPRO, financial accounting new, like this, write down. Okay. So this is path and this is transaction code. If you are interested, you can go on. Okay. Check the attributes how it was defined. Good. Super. Next, immediately you will be asked. Okay. Next question. What is the difference between posting key and field status group? See, both control field status groups during the postings. But what is the difference? Okay, write it down. I'll explain this. What is the difference between posting key and field status group? What is the difference between posting key, field and field status group? Write down the answer. The answer was both controls the field status of document line item during the postings. Correct. రెండు కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాయి. పోస్టింగ్ లెవెల్లో ఫీల్డ్స్ ఏ ఫీల్డ్ కావాలి ఏ ఫీల్డ్ వద్దు అనేది పోస్టింగ్ కీ లెవెల్ ప్లస్ ఒక ఫీల్డ్ స్టేట్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? ఓకే, రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. బోత్ కంట్రోల్స్ ది ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ line items during the postings. However, there are some differences between them. What are those differences? Let us see one by one. First, posting key. Put heading posting key. First, put heading posting keys. Write down. Okay. If you define the field status for any particular field at posting key level, any field, for example, you can try with the text field, value date field, cost center field, any field you can try. Okay, write down. If we define field status for any field, if we define the field status for any field at posting key level, specification, then the rule will be applicable for all the GL accounts and for all the company codes in the system. Then the rule is applicable for all the GL accounts and for all the company codes. And for all the company codes. And for all the GL accounts. Not only one company code, not only one GL account. Because posting key 40 for what purpose? All company codes key, all GL accounts key, if it is coming debit side, okay, 40. If you set field status 40, then what will happen? For all GL account, for all the company code, the rule will be applicable. Because the posting keys are different client level. So the client level means what? In the system, 800 client. Okay, for all company codes, it is applicable. That's why it is different at client code. Understand one point here. Where one object can be used by more than one company code, right? That is different client level. Where one object can be used only for one particular company code, right? That is company code specific. This is client specific. So client specific means what? Client level means what? Okay, all company codes should use posting key 40 for GL account debit purpose. And the kind of company code, okay, FT01 GL account debit 40, FT02 company code GL account 17. It will not be like this. For all company codes, for all the accounts, okay, posting key 40 means GL account debit. It will not be changed it. That's why note. The posting keys are defined at client level. The posting keys are defined at client level. Okay, good. What does it mean? I'll show you. First, let me explain the difference between these two things. Then I'll show you practically in the system. Second point. Whereas if you observe posting key level, okay, field status group level, put heading field status group. Field status group. Write down here. If you define the field status for any any field. If we define the field status for any field at field status group level, then the rule is applicable if you define the field status for any particular field at field status group level, then the rule is applicable only for the particular GL accounts. Only for the particular GL accounts. Only for the particular GL accounts where the field status group was assigned in the particular company codes. Write down and show both references. Where the field status group was assigned in the particular company codes. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, see here. First understand these 2 points meaning. So what I am saying here, Basu, if you specify the field status at posting key level, okay, the posting keys are common for all the company code for all the GL accounts, right? Then it is applicable for all. Example, see, business area field is there, no? Example, here it is optional field. Okay, forget. And next, posting key level 40 here, right? Okay, here I have set as business area field mandate. Example, save it. Okay, na? Done. Now I am going to post a document in this company code to the GL account as debit. So posting business area field is here is mandated. Okay, na? Good. And next, let me go to another GL account. Let me go to another GL account. Example, this GL account. Even for that GL account also, business area field here is mandated. Okay, mandated. Wherever you use posting key, business area field is mandated. And that E company code, A company code, it's not a matter. For all the company codes, for all the GL accounts, business posting key level set just field status, it is applicable for all. Example, let me go to another company code if you want. A company code can చూసుకో posting key 40 common కదా posting key 40 యూజ్ చేస్తే అది ఏ GL whatever GL account it is, whatever GL code it is, business area is mandate. Business area here is mandate. See, whatever company code it is, whatever GL account it is, because posting key common, right? You set it to posting key level. So that means what? Whatever field status you say specify for any particular field, the same will be applicable for all the GL accounts, for all the company codes. That's what is the first point meaning. See, if you define the field status for any particular field at posting key level, then posting keys are common, right? So then the rule is applicable for all the GL accounts and for all the company codes in SAP system. Here in the system, my client is here, 800 client, right? ఈ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉన్న ప్రతి కంపెనీ కోడ్ కి అప్లికబుల్ అయిపోతుంది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ JSWC, JSWS, FT01, FT02, 1000 కంపెనీ కోడ్, 2000 కంపెనీ కోడ్, ఆల్ కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ ఈ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క దానికి అప్లికబుల్ అయిపోతుంది. పోస్టింగ్ కి కామన్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ది GL accounts, for all the company codes. If you define the field status posting key level, what will happen? It will be applicable to all. Okay. Okay. Whereas if you define the field status for any particular field at field status group level, right? Then what will happen? The rule is applicable only for the particular GL accounts where the particular field status group was assigned in this particular company codes. Okay, what does that mean? I'll show you. Okay. Instead of posting key level, So let's change it. Let me change it to optional example. Save it. Put it here. Instead of posting key, let me put the status at field status group level. Put that as okay. Na? Example mandatory in G01. Save it. Save it. Okay. Whenever I am going to create GL master record, whenever I am going to post the transactions to the GL master record where this field status group is assigned. No, example G01. In this variant to G01, you have set it. Okay. Say okay. Same variant to. I have assigned here. Okay, na? Okay, fine. Now let me take the same okay GL account, okay, same company code and post the transaction. See here why I need multiple screens. You understand? This is the way you have to require. Okay, multiple screen. Otherwise, one screen is sufficient. See here. This is my company code. In this GL account, I have set it. Okay, this GL account field status group I have set as mandatory field. Okay, na? So only for this GL account, only for this company code, it will be mandatory. Example, see, enter it. Only for this GL account, this company code is mandatory. Okay, na? Okay, good. Next, if I go to, for example, if I go to another GL account, for example, this is another GL account, same company code, another GL account. Press enter it. Okay, it is also mandatory. Yeah? Okay, wait. First, let me go to this company, this GL account field status group. That is G05. Oh, see here. This is here. Mandatory, which is now okay. Example, say, see here. If I go on post transactions, observe here carefully. Okay, field status group G01 low, I have set business area field as mandatory. Same G01 is assigned to the GL account. That's why it is mandatory. Okay, so far. Next, if I go and post the transaction to another GL account, same company code, okay, same posting here, okay, another GL account, it is here optional. Here it is optional. What happened? You have specified the field status group. You have specified the field status at field status group level. Field status group level here. Wherever this is assigned, wherever this group is assigned, only in the GL account, in this company code, it will be mandatory. Okay, but in another company code, in another GL account, separate group is there. Separate group is there. It will not be applicable here. That's why here it is not applicable here. Okay, field status group set cheste only okay the GL accounts, only to the GL account where that particular field status group is assigned in the particular GL accounts, particular company code ke applicable. But whereas okay posting key level, what happened? If you define posting key level, posting key is common. Posting key here is common for both the company. Example, see here. Let me come back and set the same field status group at posting key level. Save it. Save it. Then what will happen? If I go and post the transaction now, not only the GL account, not only this company code, any company code, any GL account, wherever I am going to post the transactions. See, for this account also, posting key 40 mandatory. That is the difference. Okay. Hope we understand what is the difference between posting key and field status group. Both are both control field status groups. But what is the difference? If you specify the field status at posting key level, posting keys are common for all the company code, for all the GL accounts, for debit purpose, credit purpose. Then the rule is applicable for all the GL accounts. But if you define field status group level, right, only particular GL accounts, particular company code where the field status group was assigned. Other field status groups, other GL account, it will not be applicable. Okay, you know what is the best practice? Okay, don't make any changes at posting key level. Okay, because posting keys are common for all the company codes. Whatever field you want, better to always go and control it. Better to always control it. Particular field status group level. Only for the particular company code, particular GL accounts, that rule will be applicable. So best practice is if you want any particular field, okay, live environment during the postings, go and change it field status group level. Don't go and make the changes at posting key level. Okay, that's it. It is. By default, SAP has already specified the statuses. How you want most of the fields if you observe. Okay, optional status ఉంటుంది. Most of the fields at posting key level optional status. But was see all fields. What fields you want know, you can control it accordingly. But okay, but posting key level if you control, it will be applicable for all. That's the main difference between posting key and field state group level. Okay, if you want, you can control it posting key level. Always field state group level. Before, okay, which is the best recommendation? I'll tell you. Before that, I want you to understand the status priority. Okay, boss, I understood. You told me field status group and posting key both control the field statuses. I understood the differences also. If you specify the status at field status group level, it is applicable only for the particular GL account and particular company code. If you specify the field status at posting key level, it is applicable for all the company codes and all the GL account because the posting keys are common for all the company codes. Okay, so far, okay, understood. But example, boss, I have set business area field as required at posting key level and same field set as optional in field state group level. So to which one system will give priority? Okay. So before going to understand that, I wanted to write down one important question. Write down. What is the field status priority? If you understand, you will get clarity. Write down. What is the field status priority? Posting key anta pani chestunda. This kind of cross questions you will be asked. So please, okay, do practice and refer my notes. What is the field status priority? Write down the answer. SDRO under some people, or it is also known as HDRO. And the field key here. Okay, 4 statuses are there. First one is suppress. S means suppress and hide, also known as hide. That's why here I mentioned both. Okay, hide or suppress. Different terms, synonyms. D for display, R for required, O for option. Display optional, you will not get it here for postings, only for master record. Whatever it is, same status. SDRO. S for suppress, D for display, R for required, O for optional. Okay. So which one it will give priority? No. Okay. Right. I'll share my screen. Okay. Hope you can see. You can try with any field. Okay, business area or any field you can try. Not only okay, any field you can try. You can try with any field. Okay, I'm giving you some exercises here. Just concentrate. We are here explaining. Okay, testing at business area field. Right? Any field you can try. Okay, my requirement here is business area field. Posting key level I have set as optional. Field status group level I have set as required. While posting the transactions, tell me what is the status of this particular business area. Manasa. రంగారెడ్డి
ఆప్షనల్.
ఎలా చెప్పగలిగారు?
Why? Because which impacts the posting key levels. That is.
తాయిత్తమైన ఓ ఆప్షన్ ఎలా చెప్పావు? సాహిత్యమయమా? ఏ రాజ్కర్
సాహిత్యమయం కాదండి అది. While we are entering at posting level, which impacts more.
క్వశ్చన్ క్లియర్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ వెరీ సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడు. ఇక్కడ బిజినెస్ ఏరియా ఫీల్డ్ ఓకే పోస్టింగ్ కి లెవెల్లో ఆప్షన్లు పెట్టాడు. ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో రిక్వైర్డ్ పెట్టాడు. వైల్ పోస్టింగ్ ది ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద స్టేటస్ అంటే ఆప్షన్ లో ఉంటుందా రిక్వైర్డ్ స్టేటస్ లో ఉంటుందా అని అడుగుతున్నాను. ఆప్షన్ ఎందుకు చెప్పావు? ఏ బేస్ చేసుకుని చెప్పావు అనేది కావాలి.
పోస్టింగ్ కీ లెవెల్ బేస్ చేసి చెప్పాను.
పోస్టింగ్ కీ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వదు. ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ టు పోస్టింగ్ కీ, ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ టు ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్. ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫాలో ది సీక్వెన్స్. ఇది సీక్వెన్స్. మరి ఈ సీక్వెన్స్ ఎందుకు చెప్పారు అనుకున్న ప్రయారిటీ? పోస్టింగ్ కి ప్రయారిటీ చెప్పబడితే మరి పోస్టింగ్ కిలో నువ్వు ఏ సెట్ చేస్తే అదే వచ్చింది రిజల్ట్. అది కాదు రిజల్ట్ అక్కడ. ఆల్వేస్ ఇది సీక్వెన్స్. సీక్వెన్స్. నౌ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓకే, నీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూపించమంటే చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ హియర్. బిజినెస్ ఏరియా ఫీల్డ్ పోస్టింగ్ కి లెవెల్ ఆప్షన్లు పెడతాను. ఫీల్డ్ స్టేట్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ చేస్తాను. See the result how it will be. Okay, see you go to mute. Background noise వస్తుంది. We'll go back mute. Okay, see here what did I say? Posting key level లో business area field I am going to any field you can try bro. Okay, not only this field, any field you can try. Optional field set చేస్తాను. Posting key level లో business area field as optional. Okay na? Super. Save it. Next, field status group level required. Go to field status group. And you know the place, right? Field status group. This is field status group. 001. Please concentrate. Very important here. Business area field required. అంటే R. బాసు ఇక్కడ 4 ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి, డౌట్ పడద్దు. పోస్టింగ్ లెవెల్లో 3 స్టేటసెస్. Display function master records applicable, not for posting level fields. Okay na? Don't get confused. Only suppress means hide, required, optional. Here business area field required. Okay na? Now I told you the state result will be R, means required. Okay, see here. See here. Same field state group G01 no assign in my GL code, same GL code, same company code. I am going to post the transaction. Same GL code, same posting key 40. Okay, it will posting key controls as well as field state group of this GL account controls. But see the field status of business area mandate. See here mandate. మరి పోస్టింగ్ కీ లెవెల్ ఆప్షన్ కదా సెట్ చేసింది. మరి ఆప్షన్ రావాలిగా ఏ రాజ్కర్? వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ హియర్ మ్యాండేటరీ. ఓకే, దట్ ఇస్ వై సీక్వెన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫాలో దిస్ సీక్వెన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వే చెప్పు ఆన్సర్. బిజినెస్ ఏరియా ఫీల్డ్ పోస్టింగ్ కీ లెవెల్లో ఆప్షన్ సెట్ చేసి ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో సప్రెస్ లో పెట్టాడు. వైల్ పోస్టింగ్ ది ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేట్ బిజినెస్ ఏరియా ఫీల్డ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? What is the status of business area field? ఇక్కడ సీక్వెన్స్ ఏముంది? ఏది పైన టాప్ లో ఉంది, ఏది కింద ఉంది, ఏది మధ్యలో ఉంది, ఏది బొక్కలో ఉంది. ఓకే, సీ హియర్. యు అండర్స్టాండ్ హియర్ స్టేటస్. He's having some okay network issue. Leave it. Next, I will ask Vedvika. Tell me, bro. So okay, see. Okay, here what is the result? Business area field పోస్టింగ్ కి లెవెల్లో ఆప్షన్లు పెట్టాడు. ఫీల్డ్ స్టేజ్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో సప్రెస్ లో పెట్టాడు. పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు Okay, what is the field status of business area?
Surplus.
Suppress. Why did you say suppress here?
It
Sequence.
is following
See?
the
SDRO. చూడు ఓ ఎస్ కదా ఎస్ అక్కడ ఉంది టాప్ లో ఉంది ఓ లాస్ట్ లో ఉంది ఇది సీక్వెన్స్ ఈ సీక్వెన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఓకేనా గుడ్ అది రాజుకార్ నెక్స్ట్ సూపర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ ఐ విల్ షో యూ ఓకే అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ ట్రై ఇట్ లేటర్ డ్యూరింగ్ యువర్ పోస్టింగ్స్ నౌ యువర్ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్ రెడీ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో ట్రై ది సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ సిస్టమ్
Okay, bro. Now I understood.
ఓకే సూపర్ నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ పోస్టింగ్ కి లెవెల్లో రిక్వైర్డ్ పెడుతున్నాను ఫీల్డ్ స్టేజ్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో ఆప్షన్ సెట్ చేశాను while posting the transactions. Okay, Ashok. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Posting key level required. Field sales group level option. While posting the transaction, what is it?
Required.
Right.
Ante. Yes, no doubt. Okay, next. Okay, next one.
Next is suppress.
Correct. Okay, next. Banu Prasad. Banu Prasad. See here.
Yes, sir.
Suppress. Ekkada posting key level. Field sales group level required. Option. Result.
Surplus, sir.
Suppress. Because okay, SDRO కాబట్టి S టాప్ లో వస్తుంది సీక్వెన్స్ లో ఓకే ఇది సీక్వెన్స్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది సో ఆప్షన్ కంటే సప్రెస్ టాప్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి సో టాప్ ప్రయారిటీ ఎస్ అంతేగాని ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ టు పోస్టింగ్ కి ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ టు ఓకే ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫాలో ది సీక్వెన్స్ priority okay priority of that field status group. Good. Last question. Okay, last scenario, last testing. Business area field posting key level I have set as suppress. Field status group level I have set as required. While posting the transactions, tell me what is the result?
Suppress.
Huh?
Suppress.
Okay, so as per the sequence, okay, your understanding is correct. Yes, right? But it's not yes. Okay, it will not give yes. Okay, it will give error message. You know why it will give error message? Suppress means it should not be displayed. Requirement should be mandated. Both the rules here is set incorrectly. That's why it will give error message. It will give error message. Okay, I'll show you. Just 2 minutes, please. Please hang on, don't leave. It will give error message. You know what is the error message? Rules for posting key, what are posting key, and for account to the particular field, business area field or text field or incorrectly maintained. Like this will come. Okay, you want to see that? Let me show that. Let me replicate the same thing at the business area field. Business area field means example. This is my posting key. Posting key level. Any field you can try. Business area field here is suppress. Save it. Save it. Field status group level. It is required. Save it. Whenever I am going to post the transactions, right? Whenever I am going to post the transactions to the particular field, it will give error message. It will give error message. See what is the error message? Basu, the rules you define for posting key 40 and the field status group assigned in this particular GL account are incorrect for the particular field, GSDR field and the business area field, technical name. The business area field name is the technical name backend. Okay, like this it is giving error message. That's what I have mentioned here clearly. It is there in the notes. Everyone has already received this section. But here in this example I covered business area. But in this notes it was covered text field. Any field you can try. Okay, good. right? Okay, next to last point. At what level? Okay, some people may ask, at what level we can control the, write down this question. No. Okay. So I want you to write down this table, right? Okay, wait. Okay, so field priority understood. Okay, do one thing. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, so we don't have time now. So do one thing. So please take this print screen and you can write it down in your notes. Take this print screen. Take this print screen. Paste it in your Word document. Okay, and write it down in your notes after. Okay, you drop from the class now. Write down. Take the print screen. There is no time to write down. So please write. Okay, take the print screen. Paste it in a Word document. Save it. After the class, please write down the same thing in your running notebook. So in case if you have any doubt, okay, so please do practice and let me tomorrow. I'll show you once again the same structure. Good. Up to here. Next question also you can write it down, please. Just a small point. No. Okay, you can take this one also. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell you that point. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay, take this up to here. That is enough. Hope everyone has taken this print screen. Okay, chala. See you tomorrow. And let's see. We stuck up here at posting key level only. Once we fix this issue, once we understand this posting key, then I will tell you this field and this field and this field. Then we will go on post. Tomorrow we'll finish it. Tomorrow we'll see output. Okay, Ajay. This stupid thing. Okay, before I start the class, I have explained very clearly. Okay, share your screen. I told you that's why I put join to the class quickly. I have explained, but you are not there in the class. Now you're asking me, shall I share my screen? Okay, share your screen. I'll make you present. One second. Any muse first go directly go to OBCF OB what is it? OBA0. OBA0. Okay. Go to new entries button. Go to new entries button. Enter a company code. Okay, description GL tolerance group, something like this. Keep the group blank. Okay, keep it blank, not required. Then it is applicable for all the GL accounts. Debit posting. Okay, description. Next column. Okay, one. Enter one. Debit posting one. Amount 1 rupee. Okay, percentage 1. No. Credit posting amount 1 rupee. Percentage 1 rupee. 1%. Okay, description if you want to give there at the top, there are two fields, right? Tolerance group one, next one bar, same bar, long field, next okay, we have to mention GL, okay, tolerance group for GL accounts. Tolerance group for GL accounts. Yeah, you can actually go ahead. Save it. Save it. Save it. And save. Next, go to OBA4. This is GL account tolerance. Screenshot money petti money chupichaga. Just go to OBA4. And users. Go to new entries button. Okay, tolerance group. Blank. Okay, enter a company code. 9999 అన్ని 9 enter కొట్టు. Already ఉందా? Okay, okay. Just cancel it and open your entry. Cancel పైన that button. Cancel. పైన menu bar. Cancel it. Cancel it. Yes. total position. Okay, enter company code, enter a company code, press enter. Okay, double click on it. So it's open. Okay, excellent. So it's perfect. GL account dollars group no sariga maintain cheyalem. Okay, fine. So class 7:15 kala no class lo untaru.